Can you believe this rich, moist, and fruity Christmas cake is made without eggs and without an oven? And just look at that beautiful texture. Today, I'm sharing a super easy fruitcake loaded with dry fruits and warm, festive flavors. Take a pan and add half a cup of sugar, followed by 2 tablespoons of water. Keep the flame low to medium and allow the sugar to melt slowly. There's no need to stir it continuously. Just let the sugar caramelize until it develops a gorgeous golden brown color. Be careful not to make it too dark, otherwise the caramel can taste bitter. Once you get this beautiful caramel color, carefully add half a cup of water and mix well. Add the water slowly because the caramel will be extremely hot and may bubble up. Now it's time for my favorite part, all those delicious fruits and nuts. Into our caramel mixture, add 1 tablespoon black raisins, 1 tablespoon golden raisins, 1 tablespoon chopped cherries, 1 tablespoon chopped dates, 2 tablespoons Tutti Frutti, and 1 tablespoon chopped nuts. You can use whatever combination of nuts you enjoy. Cashews, almonds, and walnuts all taste wonderful in this cake. Give everything a good mix so all those fruits are nicely coated with the caramel. Now add 60 grams of butter. Continue cooking this mixture for around 5 minutes on low flame. As it cooks, the dry fruits will absorb some of that caramel flavor and become beautifully soft and juicy. And this mixture already smells amazing. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame and keep the caramel fruit mixture aside. Place a strainer over a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now add 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder. Sift everything together so there are no lumps. Once our caramel and fruit mixture is cooled, pour it into the dry ingredients. Mix everything gently until it starts coming together. Now add half a cup of orange juice. Orange juice works beautifully in fruitcake because its fresh citrus flavor balances the sweetness of the caramel and complements all those dry fruits. Mix again until you have a smooth cake batter. And remember, once the flour is added, don't overmix the batter. Mix only until everything is nicely combined. Look at that beautiful color. I'm using a 6-inch greased cake pan for this recipe. Pour all of the batter into the prepared pan and spread it evenly. Give the pan a few gentle taps. This helps remove any large air pockets trapped inside the batter. And for an extra festive look, decorate the top with a few more dry fruits and nuts. Preheat a large, heavy-bottomed pan for around 5 minutes. Carefully place the cake pan inside, cover it, and cook the cake on low flame for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. And look at this! Our beautiful eggless fruit cake made without an oven is ready. Let it cool slightly before removing it from the pan. Once cooled, slice it up and look at that gorgeous texture. Soft, moist, fruity, and packed with festive flavors in every bite. This is such a wonderful cake for Christmas, holidays, family gatherings, or simply enjoying with a cup of tea or coffee. Give this easy fruitcake a try, and if you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!